Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be showing you guys what I got from rolling for 24 hours straight in Souls RNG. Let's get into it. Okay, so I did actually also roll an arcane, which is a 1 in 1 million. Now sadly I had an auto clicker on, and when I went to collect it, my mouse went up to the top corner of the screen, so it did click out of the tab and it deleted my arcane, so that is very unfortunate. I also found someone who had some insane beginner luck, like insane. They had only like around 3,000 rolls and they rolled a 1 in 6 million. So I'll put up the screenshot of that right now. Alright guys, well that's going to be it for today's video. If you guys do like the Souls RNG videos, tell me in the comments and I'll probably make some more. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.